Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to the WA Reviews YouTube channel. Today we will unbox a Wi-Fi smart camera that allows for real-time remote viewing. It's a 3-lens, 360-degree view video camera. We will unbox and check all the features of this camera one by one. You can see this is the 12-megapixel 6K auto-tracking PTZ video camera, which is IP66 waterproof. I will provide you with the link in the video description. So let's unbox and check what we have inside the box. On the top, we found one manual, a Wi-Fi camera quick manual, which is in English. We will check all the instructions one by one. This is the clamp for the LAN connection. These are the screws for mounting the camera on the wall or anywhere. This is the power adapter. Its input is 110 to 220 volts AC, and its output is 12 volts DC. Here it also mentions 100 to 240 volts input, 50 to 60 Hertz, and an output of 12 volts and 2 amperes. So this is the DC power adapter for powering up this camera. This is our main device, the 12-megapixel 6K Wi-Fi camera. It has 3 lenses, 180-degree movable LED lights, and this is the camera lens. I will remove this lens cover from the camera. As you can see, it has 2 connection ports, one for DC power input and one for LAN. You can also connect your camera via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. If you want a wired connection, you can use the LAN port. This is the power input of this adapter. This is the cable you can connect here for powering up the camera. And this side, you can connect to a 110 to 220 volt socket. Let's discuss the features of this Wi-Fi wireless camera. 6K 12-megapixel ultra-high-definition picture, bringing you a more high-definition visual experience. 8x zoom, AI human body recognition and detection, automatic humanoid tracking, email alarm, real-time push to protect the safety of your home. 10 infrared LEDs, plus 4 white LEDs presenting you with clear and colorful day-night images. 3 image modes, smart mode, infrared mode, color mode, built-in high-quality speaker and microphone, two-way conversation is barrier-free, H.265 video format, allowing you to watch smoother videos, support for 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection, support for RJ45 network cable connection, real-time image transmission, adaptive network, support for ONVIF, support for NVR devices, app, ICC. You can connect this camera via your mobile device or laptop. You need to install an app called ICC. This app needs to be installed on your smartphone or laptop for controlling this camera. Let's power on this camera and see how it's working. After that, we will connect it with our smartphone and check the result. So guys, I have already connected this camera to the power supply. You can see it's moving.
System starting up. Connecting. Please wait. Connect to router successfully.
As you can see, our camera is already connected to our device. It's also giving some instructions. So, I will show you the procedure for connecting this camera to your smartphone. To connect this camera to your smartphone, you need to scan this code from your iPhone or smartphone. Or you can go to your App Store or Play Store to find the ICC app. As you can see here, this is the app for this camera. Once you install it on your smartphone, you need to tap on the app. After logging in with your email address, you can see this is the interface of this app. It's asking you to press the plus button to add the device or search here. After pressing the plus icon, you need to add your device, our Wi-Fi wireless camera. Next, enter your wireless router password.
Please input wireless router password and click OK.
If you don't have a wireless router, you can use your Bluetooth connection. So guys, when you open this app, you will find this type of interface. Here's the photo album, here are all your settings, and here is the device. You need to tap on the plus icon, and it will start searching for your device. Now it will show the following device found, and you will click on this device. It will show you the camera. Here are all the settings. Once you click on this play button, it will start the camera. As you can see, this is the camera. It's showing the result of the dual camera. You can control the camera, turn off the speaker, turn on the speaker, turn off the mic, turn on the mic. This is the video, this is the picture. You can take pictures, you can change the resolution to HD, SD, or UHD. It's a real-time playback. Here you will find all your playback messages, and this is all the settings for camera control. You can manually control the motion like this. You can move in any direction, up or down. Like this, you can adjust the settings manually, or you can keep the auto tracking function on. This is the motion tracking function. If you turn on this function, it will automatically track motion. On the top, you will find the slot for the memory card and the reset button, so you can install your memory card in this memory card slot. I have a 128GB memory card. This camera can support 32GB, 64GB, and 128GB maximum. So you can install any card you like. You need to put your card in this card slot. I will show you how to install the card in the card slot. This is the memory card. You just need to put it like this, in this way, and press it until it's installed. After that, you can clip the upper cap of this area, and your memory card is installed. So like this, you can install the memory card in your Wi-Fi smart camera. You can also dismantle the clamp. Once you bring it in this direction, you can dismantle the cap and install it easily anywhere, so you can keep any settings. So this is all about the Wi-Fi smart camera. Hope you liked the video. If you really like this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, comment, and you can ask if you face any problems installing this camera. It's a very cheap camera. I bought it from AliExpress. I will provide the link in the description. You can buy it from that link. Hope you liked the video. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye.